quick update on what we've been up to this weekend. As many as you know, it's absolutely bitter cold. It's absolutely freezing. I nipped down to Yorkshire this weekend to nip round a few bees, and if you've not already done yours, there's a lot of them starting to run very low on stores. So I nipped down there to put some fun on a lot of the bees. And then I called in at Damon's, Abelo bees. They had an open day Saturday, Sunday. And I went in there because free coffee and cake, obviously. That's what I originally went in for. And his wife had put out a lovely spread. She'd done lots of cake, lots of coffee, and no charge. And that suits me down to the ground. I went out without the intention of spending a single penny when I went down there. And to be honest, the actual trip down there were a nightmare. As you can see from this clip. And I went down, and absolutely lovely store, and as I said, I went with the intention of spending no money whatsoever, and then I spotted these. And as always, I've not been asked, I've not been paid, I've not been given. All this gear is bought out of my own pocket. And I buy it because it's good quality gear and it's a good price that you get from all the licensed stock. We've been using 8-frame Man Lake boxes, Langstroths, in a lot of the queen rearing, because we get a lot more queens and we get a lot better queens from the Langstroths. Don't ask me why, we just do. And that's why we use a lot of Langstroth boxes in the queen rearing. Now these are 9-frame Langstroths. These were made for the American market, but Abelo's got them in, and if you're in the US, I dare say you'll be able to get them from betterbee.com. If you're over in Ireland, you'll be able to get them at donegalbees.ie that do the Lyson things in Ireland. And the rest of Europe and the world, I dare say you already know your license sites. But as I said, these are 9-frame boxes designed for the American market. 9-frame suits me better because now I can put an internal feeder in there as well. The other good thing is that the polystyrene, so they're better insulated, so they're going to overwinter better, but just because they are polystyrene. And they come ready painted because I cannot stand painting boxes. It's a bane of my life. And if you could see the other side of the camera, you'd see just how much I do like these boxes with the piles and piles of them that they're in. And Suzanne will mainly find out once she gets the invoice later this month, and she can strangle me then, basically. I bought a few other bits, and I'll show you them as we go through the year, what I actually picked up. Now these boxes, we're gonna, if you follow the queen rearing series, you're gonna see that with this weather carrying on, and I think it's the middle of the afternoon, I think it's -3, -4 at the moment, and it keeps snowing and stopping, snowing. We're gonna be 4 or 5 weeks behind in the season, so that if we went on that track, we're looking at June, mid to late June, before we actually start producing any decent quality queens. To get a jump on this, I bought some packages in from Murray, and he brings them in from Italy, and they are good quality bees that he does bring in. He mainly sells in bulk. So what we've done, we bought these packages in. We're going to fill these new Lyson boxes with those. We're going to fill some of the mated nooks up with those. Now they are imported bees, but those imported bees aren't going to be around long, because in the mated nooks we're going to be putting virgins in. So the lifespan of these imported bees is 6, 7, 8 weeks. But they get everything going, so those queens can go out, get mated, come back and start laying eggs and repopulating the hive again. Eventually what we'll do is we'll requeen all these boxes as well, with all our own queens that we do, but this way we're going to get that jump start on the season, especially with it being so late. So as part of that series, I'm going to now show you, because what we're going to do up here in Corstock is what was the training stroke queen raising apiary in Corstock. We're going to be setting that up from scratch. So if you want to go into this in a bigger scale, you'll be able to follow along with the videos and see exactly how we set up a brand new queen rearing apiary. So you'll be seeing the stars, the finishers, the mated nooks. We'll be going off and we'll be doing the drone colonies a little bit further away from where we're actually going to be placing the mating nooks. So you'll be able to follow that all the way through, as well as we're still going to be doing all the beginner videos and the ad hoc videos going through the week. Here's a few clips of the nightmare that I had going down to Yorkshire, coming back from Yorkshire, and you'll be able to see a few clips of Damon's, well, Abelo Beekeeping's new store.